that one. She's like, I am gonna get one now. She's going for her mouth.
I know. It's like a snap.
Like, it's like an alligator snap.
Good girl, Lola.
I would like to say that I'm proud that I invented this game.
You did invent this game.
Come on, Lola. Get it, get it.
Oh, Lola.
Yes.
Good girl.
Oh, yeah. You can go.
Bing. Don't let it hit the ground.
Oh, Jane!
Come on.
Lola, ready?
She will play this game forever. Uh-oh, the orange one's going down.
Come on. Oh,
Make her do a jump spin.
Get it! Oh, Lolita! No. Lolita! Yep, here comes another. Ready? Lola,
She's
Lola.
tired.
Ready?
No, she's not tired.
No.
Do it forever.
Good girl. Good girl.
I'm starting to feel like an animal cruelty.
Good girl. Good girl, Lola.
That was really cute. Are you doing
the
more?
big one she loves.
Oh. Get it. Get it.
She needs to play with herself.
Get it, Lola. Ready? Get it. Bingo. Good girl.
It's just because it's so slowly.
Yeah, it just falls right towards her.
Get ready.
Oh, she's not
Get
jumping now.
Oh,
She's just
hold on.
gonna sit,
Ready?
wait for it to catch
Ready?
her.
Ready? Ready? Get it.
Oh.
She's tired.